Namaste. Namaste. My name is Dr. Mahesh. Today I want to teach 9th class in which gravitation chapter. Today our concept is weight of an object on the moon. Once again I am repeating. Today our concept is weight of an object on the moon. Now first I would like to give the definition for the weight of an object on the moon. Weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the object is attracted towards the center of the moon. Once again I am repeating, the weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the object is attracted towards the center of the moon. Now another definition is also there. Now I would like to deliver that definition also. Weight of an object on the moon is the force of moon's gravity acting on the object. Once again I am repeating the second definition. Weight of an object on the moon is the force of moon's gravity acting on the moon. Okay. Now I wrote on the board. Please observe carefully. Today our topic is weight of an object on the moon. The weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the object is attracted towards the center of the moon. Once again, the weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the object is attracted towards the center of the moon. Or another definition. What is that one? Weight of an object on moon is the force of moon's gravity attracting on the object. Once again, weight of an object on the moon is the force of moon's gravity acting on the object. This is the second definition. Please copy in your notes. Now, I would like to derive the weight. W is Wm. What is Wm? W small m, weight of an object on the moon. Now we are going to derive about that one. Please observe carefully. Let's consider an object of mass small m. The weight of this object on the earth is given by okay. Now what is the formula for that one? W is equal small m into GE. Consider equation number 1, where small m is the mass of the body on the earth. GE is the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. W is the weight of the that G is equal capital G, capital M whole by R E square. Consider this is equation number 2, where G is the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. G is equal to universal gravitational constant, that value is 6.67 into 10 to the power of minus 11 Newton meter square kg to the power of minus 2. M is equal to mass of the earth. R is equal to radius of the earth. Okay. Now equation 2 in 1. Therefore W is equal G small n capital N E by R E square. Consider this is equation number 3. Okay. W is equal capital G small n M E R E square. Equation number 3. That means the same way we have to derive the same on the moon also. Okay. Now please copy this one. Right. Now come to the next part. Let's consider an object of mass small n. The weight of this object on the moon is given by. Once again, let's consider an object of mass small n. The weight of this object on the moon is given by. What is the formula? W M is equal small n into Gm. Consider equation number 4, where Wm is the weight of object on the moon. M is the mass of the object. Gm is the acceleration due to gravity on the moon. Okay. Now we know that Gm is equal, what is the formula? G capital N small n by Rn square. Equation number 5. Okay. Now equation 5 substitute in 4. That means equation number 5 in 4. Then what is the result? W M is equal G small n capital N moon by R M square. This is equation number 6. Okay. Now please copy up to this. Next I will continue remaining derivation. Right. Now come to next point. Equation 3 by equation 6. What we get? What is the equation 3? Sorry, we want this one. Huh? So equation 6 by equation 3. Then what we get? What is equation 6? W M by W E is equal to, what is that one? G small n capital N moon by Rn whole square whole by G small Then what we can get? W m by W e is equal G small m capital M moon whole by R moon square into, it will be reverse, R e square by G small m capital M e square. Okay, please observe carefully. Please observe carefully. G both are same, going to be cancelled out. Small m both are same, cancel out. But what are the parameters we have? M, ME, RM, RE remaining here. That is W M by WE is equal to M by ME into what we get? R E by RM whole square. This is the equation we have. Consider this is equation number 7. Okay. Now substitute mass of the moon, substitute the value of mass of the earth, substitute radius of the earth, substitute radius of the moon. These values now we are going to substitute here in the equation number 7. Now we can get the final result of weight of an object or mass of an object or weight of an object on the moon. Okay, now I am going to substitute these values in the equation number 7. Right. Now I am substituting here. Please observe carefully. Okay. Now W M by W E is equal. What is the moon mass? The moon mass is equal 7.36 into 10 to the power of 22. 4 by what is the mass of the earth? 6 into 10 to the power of 24 or 5.98 or 5.98 into 10 to the power of 24. Okay. Next, what is the radius of earth? That is 6,400 kilometers. Or what is the radius of earth? The radius of earth is 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 whole by what is the radius of moon? 1.74 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square. Okay, once again. Tell me what are the values we got? W M by W E is equal to 7.36 into 10 to the power of 22 whole by 5.98 into 10 to the power of 24 into that was 6.37 into 10 to the power of 6 whole by 1.74 into 10 to the power of 6 whole square. Okay, that means this is the weight of an object on the moon. This is the mass of the moon. This is the mass of the earth. This value value gives the radius of the moon and a whole square. Okay. Now we are going to solve this one. Therefore, Wm by We is equal. Tell me what is the value of this one? That is approximately equal to 0.165. Okay, or approximately equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now tell me, we want weight of an object on the moon. Therefore, the weight of an object on the moon is given by W is equal weight of the object on the moon is equal 1 by 6 of, take this one here, WE. This is the required equation. This is equation number 8. Once again, therefore, weight of an object on the moon is equal to 1 by 6 of weight of an object on the earth. This is the required equation. Like that, we have to solve the weight of an object on the moon. Please copy your notes with your beautiful handwriting. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.